Hello, everyone. I am here at the Washington Behavioral Healthcare Conference. You can see there are people setting up their booths. So cool. And Holding the Hope has their booth up. Is that backwards for you? Looks backwards. So we have our table. You can see there's not much up, but by tomorrow morning there'll be all kinds of stuff. But what I wanted to tell you about was my CARES toolkit, which is 12 modules, video online, on demand, continuing education for peer support specialists. See there? Workshops, consultation, we do it. And so, during the Washington Behavioral Healthcare Conference, 20% off. 20% off the toolkit. Go to my website, holdingthehope.com, order the toolkit, and in the discount code put WBHCC, Washington Behavioral Healthcare Conference. WBHCC, that's your coupon code for 20% off. You got to do it. The CARES Toolkit. Once you buy it, it's yours forever. No fees, no memberships, just awesome content. All right, more pictures as the hordes come to my table. Right now I'm sweaty and hot. Okay, see you tomorrow.